Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Middle Cottage, Routine Row in Kilrenny. This is a beautiful, well presented, one bedroom, really spacious mid-terraced cottage. You'll get an additional surprise with this one as well that you will not be expecting, but it allows you to take full advantage of the gorgeous views to the rear, and it gives you the perfect outlook to your landscape garden that is currently in full bloom and has so much colour. It really is stunning. It allows you to sit out there as well and take full advantage of the really peaceful setting that you get with this property. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that it has to offer, and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, Middle Cottage, just on Routine Row, so you can see it's a really quiet setting. So this is where your property is situated. So peaceful, picture postcard perfect. This is your property, so low maintenance front, and hopefully you've spotted those two Velux windows, so that'll give you a hint of what's to come inside. But we enter through these beautiful timber doors. I love that feature, it's a great entrance. Then we come through, you have a further glazed door. Now we are going to start upstairs, but I want to just show you the outlook that you get, because look at this. This is a surprise that I have been so looking forward to showing you, because this is a great additional space with this mezzanine up here. So we're going to head up there now, but I'm sure you weren't expecting this, and you'll see why it is so beautiful, because you are getting this gorgeous outlook to the countryside setting. So this is your beautiful outlook. Got a gorgeous day as well, so I'm so glad we can really showcase it. But this is your additional space, so really bright as well, because those Velux windows letting all that natural light flood in, plus the windows to the rear. But isn't this such a great addition that you really weren't expecting? So if it was me, I would be putting sofas up here so I could just sit here and just soak up that gorgeous view. I'm sure you can hear the birds in the background, and you've got that great addition of fitted storage just in the cove there. And then I even just love looking over and down into this space just here with the vaulted ceiling. So great start to the tour already, but let me show you the rest of the property and everything that it has to offer. So we come down into your other reception space. You have that feature fireplace with the log burner just there, and then you have this lounge area. You've got your window to the front that's allowing that light to flood in, but it's such a bright property as well. It's just beautiful. So this is the living space. We then come along into your bedroom, so a generous sized double bedroom. You're getting those fitted wardrobes for further storage. So this is your bedroom space. Then you come into your high standard contemporary bathroom. So you're getting that large enclosed walk-in thermostatic shower inset just there for storage. Then your WC and wash hand basin. And then just behind the door here we do have a heated towel rail. So that is your high standard shower room. So what's great as well is you do have the option for one level if you need it. But isn't this just incredible? I absolutely love this property. It's just beautiful. And then even just stepping down through these doors into your really generous sized dining kitchen. Again, contemporary finish, ample cabinet and worktop space. You're getting integrated fridge freezer, extractor hob and oven. But this is your kitchen space, and then you have that gorgeous outlook to the garden, and then plenty of space there for a dining table. And then I just love that then you can just open this door and just have these open in the summer months to allow you to hear the birds, but also just let the fresh air in. But you get to step out to your gorgeous garden. Just look at this. This is stepping right out your door, down these stairs, and you've got a patio area just here. And you have space just there for outdoor storage. But let's make our way to the end of the garden. Isn't this just beautiful. All your mature shrubs and plants, full bloom as well, gorgeous colours. And then you've got a further seating area just here. And then stepping down again, got this summer house as well, which allows you to just sit out and again take further advantage in the summer months. And then you get to look back up to your property. Isn't that just beautiful, especially with the blue skies in the background? But this is all of yours. And then you do just have an access gate just there that takes you to a little brook that trickles through. But isn't this just incredible? Could really just sit here all day and take full advantage of this really peaceful setting. You can maybe hear the birds in the background. But let's head back up and recap Middle Cottage in Kilrenny. That was the personal property tour for Middle Cottage, Routine Row, Kilrenny. As you've just seen for yourself, a truly beautiful one-bedroom mid-terrace cottage, spacious and really well presented, plus you're getting that great addition of that mezzanine area that allows you to take full advantage of these gorgeous views to the rear and the outlook to your garden, stepping out that patio door into this beautiful garden that is currently in full bloom, sun trap, and it's such a peaceful setting as well, so you can take full advantage sitting out here. Everything's on your doorstep as well with this property because you're just a short drive to Cellerdyke. Along Shore Street you have cafes, shops and bistros. Also the Cellerdyke Harbour, so you're right on the Fife Coastal Path. Also, if you're into walking from this location, just around the corner is Kilrenny Burns. You can do countryside walks there. Plus you're only about 9 miles to St Andrews, where there is further beautiful walks and beaches, plus cafes, bistros, restaurants, and of course the home of golf. So you have plenty in close proximity to you, while getting to take full advantage of this really peaceful setting and everything that this property has to offer. So if you'd like to get further details, you can message me directly, click the link in the video, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at Fife Properties TV, take care.